You're having the time of your life, and he's having the meal of his life.
Now that I got that flavor locked in, I'm going to throw it in the oven at about 450, 500 because we only have 30 minutes, so I have to get this thing
His face is covered.
Into the oven it goes. Give me what I need, baby. Cool. Gotta make my chimichurri. The basics to making a chimichurri sauce, you have to have parsley, your oregano, your vinegar, your garlic, some garlic too. All those flavors
God, it's a munching, crunching little.
That's just gonna take it to a whole other level.
Okay, that's
10 minutes.
pet store, kitty cat milk. Powder, add proper water, not tap water, not alkaline water. Just look at this. Just slurping out his jaws. Are you squeezing the bottle, sweetheart?
A little bit.
There you go. Looks like my grandfather eating ice cream. And I ain't never seen my grandfather eat. Never met the man.
Damn, that's good, eh?
We're both back in the old country.
That is some good shit right there.
So this is the moment of truth. I get the soufflés out of the freezer.
Okay, I'm gonna have to stop this in about 12 seconds.
My favorite time has just arrived. Who were the two cooks and who were the con last time? Klaus and Fred are the cooks. John is the con. John the con. John the con.